Bitcoin is officially in a free fall. We dropped from caution into concern, which means we are quickly approaching what could be the absolute bottom of the bear market. Right now, we are targeting $60,000, but we could reach even further, closer even to $52,000 if these moves continue as they are. We got in our alerts that we set yesterday, a large selling volume detected and a long entry short take profit. In this video, I'm going to tell you what these signals mean and how you can use them to help predict the absolute bottom of the bear market as we get closer and closer to that point. Once we reach it, that could be the absolute best entry that you can find for the next couple of years. Historically, this has led to a 716% move up, and before that, an even larger 2,100% move up. You see why these signals are so important to pay attention to, and with that, let's get started. My name is Jake with Trade Confident. In our membership, we just put out a few more simulated trade setups to test and show how accurate these indicators can be. So if you want to check those out, be sure to head into the trading portal. Tomorrow, we have a brand new future forecast coming out. This is weekly coaching that we give our members. Later this month, we have our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming up as well. Sign up for a membership at the links in the description down below if you don't want to miss it. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame, starting with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Market cycle highs and lows, once again, is in concern. And yes, the Pro Trade Manager shows a green dot, which is typically a buy signal. And we may even see a small rebound from here, but I'm really not even paying attention to this indicator until the market cycle highs and lows itself drops into fear and max fear. In a free fall scenario like this, fear and max fear means that retail traders are scared out of their mind. They're just selling their cryptocurrency, trying to get back whatever cash they can. And as they continue selling, it drops the price further. And this is where institutional money comes in and scoops up all that discount crypto. We do not want to be the scared retailers. We want to be the smart traders buying when retailers are feeling fear and max fear. You want proof? Let's head back to the 2018, or I'm sorry, this one's the 2022 bear market where we saw fear. Back here, 2018, once again, fear is what called the absolute bottom. Now, what these two have in common is at that point where we saw fear, we also received green dots. Now, the Pro Trade Manager is used to call local bottoms, and it's very good at it. Even if you see small bounces in downtrends, a green dot is often calling that local bottom. Now, if you can find a local bottom at the same time as finding the absolute cycle bottoms, you've likely just found the exact bottom of the bear market. And again, this resulted in a 2,100% move up in 2018 and 716% move up in 2022. How far down this goes remains to be seen, but rather than rely on specific price targets, I'm just using fear or max fear. And once we get that, looking for a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager, helping us find the bottom. Volume bubbles shows a huge amount of selling volume on the last few candles. Selling volume, again, is what pushes the price down, and this is where we are likely to see continued drops. With that in mind, we're actually going to set some alerts looking for that bottom. Now that we have the official breakout, I'm not concerned as much about volume data. So what we're going to do is head over to the alerts tab. I'm actually just going to delete all of the Bitcoin alerts here because I want to reset them for you. Click Create Alert, Market Cycle Highs and Lows, Fear, Once per bar close, and click Create. Next alert, Market Cycle Highs and Lows again, Max Fear, Once per bar close, and click Create. Last, Pro Trade Manager, keep it at a long entry short take profit, once per bar close, and click Create. Now, as the price drops, you may actually see a few long entry short take profit alerts. It's not until we see fear or max fear at the same time as a long entry short take profit that I'm really looking for a potential entry. It really is as simple as this. This is the same combination of indicators we are using to buy the potential bottoms and manage our trades in our $1 million portfolio. It's actually a little bit more than that. If you want to see how we're trading this portfolio, watch the future forecast episodes, check out the simulated trade setups. And if you want these indicators for yourself, our members get access for massive discounts. All you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicators tab. And with the coupon code that we offer to our members, once you click this little link, it's giving you $150 off each the Pro Trade Manager, the Market Cycle Highs and Lows, and the Volume Bubbles. Check out on Gumroad. I want this. Market Cycle Highs and Lows. Add that to cart. Volume Bubbles, add that to cart. Throw in your membership code for $450 off total, fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for tomorrow's future forecast episode and the simulated trade setups. Don't miss out.